Hello everyone. So today's program is write a C program to find the sum of array elements. Okay, so basically the meaning of this heading is nothing but we are going to ask user that you enter 5 numbers or 10 numbers or 15 numbers, depends on the user. Okay, and then we are going to add them. Okay, so basically it is nothing but to find the sum of array elements. So first thing is hash include stdio.h, hash include convo.h, and then volume function and open the bracket. Now here we have declared some 3-4 variables. The first thing is integer and a of 10. Obviously if you don't know the meaning of a and then bracket 10, please refer my previous video, that is nothing but the basic example using array. Okay, in that I have already explained what is the meaning of array variable or how to use array variable and all that things. So here integer a and then bracket indicates the size of an array. So size is what? 10. Now after that some normal variables like I, n, and what? Sum. We require sum because obviously the program is to find the sum of array elements. Okay, and then I we require because the for loop, and n we require because we are going to ask user first that how many numbers you want to enter. So for that we require n also, and to store this array elements or numbers and everything we require array variable, and for that we are using what? A of 10. Right now the size is 10, it is on you. Like if you want you can give the size as 5 also, if you want you can give the size as 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, etc. Okay, and in the next line actually we are declaring the value of sum also initially. Okay, that sum equal to 0. Okay, that is the, we are starting from 0. Now next line printf and scanf. Now here what is the meaning of printf and scanf? Printf means what? We are asking user that you now enter the size of an array. How many numbers you want? Okay. And then scanf %d ampersand what? N. So for example, if you enter here 5, which means I want to enter 5 different numbers and then I want addition of that 5 numbers. That is the exact meaning. Okay. So for I equal to 0, I less than n and I plus plus. So this for loop obviously starting from I equal to 0, then 0 less than n. Okay, so if we assume that value of n as 5, so 0 less than 5, so we know that condition is what? True. Then inside the for loop we have only one statement, that is scanf %d ampersand a of I. A of I. Okay, so when I say a of I, and we know that current or right now the value of I is what? 0. So whatever you will enter, so that will get stored in a of 0. Okay, now closing bracket, then I plus plus here. So here it means we are incrementing the value of I by what? 1. Then again we will check the condition here, that is 1 less than 5. So again we know that condition is what? True. Again inside of the for loop, again user will enter the second value. Now this time it is a of I, it means what? A of 1. So whatever number user will enter, that will get stored in which array variable or location? A of 1. And likewise a of 2, likewise a of 3, likewise a of what? 4. And now after that addition part, that is this thing. So again we require for loop and same condition, that is I equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. So again this will be inside of this for loop how many times? Total 5 times, because we are starting from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 until 4, but total is what? 5. Okay. Now sum is equal to sum plus a of I. Now it means sum equal to, first time sum equal to, so here what is the initial value of sum? As I said, initial value of sum is what? 0. So here 0 plus a of 0 means what? Whatever number stored at a of 0, it will take that number. So 0 plus that number will give you new value of what? Sum, new. Then closing bracket, again I plus plus, now I is incremented by 1, then again condition checking, that is 1 less than 5, again condition is true, again inside of for loop. Now again sum equal to sum plus a of I. Right now value of I is 1, which means a of 1 here. This one is a of 1. Okay, and plus sum, this is not 0. Do not consider sum now as 0, because now we are inside the for loop second time. So you have to consider the latest value of sum. Okay, and likewise third time, fourth time, fifth time, we will get the latest value of sum. So at the end, after for loop, we are printing the value of what? Sum. So here is the output. Okay, from the output you will get to know properly. Enter the size of an array. So it means 4. It indicates that I want to enter 4 different numbers. So enter 4 elements in the array. Okay, and 5, 10, 8 and what? 15. So if I add 5 plus 10, that is 15 plus 8, 23 plus 15. So answer is what? 38. Okay. So thank you all.